Hi, I'm Dr. Jody. I'm the chiropractor at the Holistic Institute of Health and Fertility South location, and today I'm going to show you what a pediatric or infant chiropractic adjustment looks like.
Chiropractic adjustments performed on adults are actually very different than those adjustments performed on newborns. As with our pregnant patients, we have modified and very gentle techniques we use when treating a newborn. We often use very light fingertip pressure on the baby's back and neck. Imagine testing the ripeness of a tomato. That is really close to what we would use on an infant. We may also address any muscular tension by gently massaging the muscles. Issues may arise due to the physical stress that your baby has gone through during the birthing process. We also like babies to feel comfortable and will do much of the treating while they lay on mom or dad's tummy. Typically, your baby will be very soothed after an adjustment. Treating infants is so gentle, and most parents report afterwards that their baby was very calm, slept well, breastfeeding improved, or their constipation issues also improved.
Good.